Forget stocks, forget crypto, forget everything you think you know about making money. I am about to show you a modern-day gold rush that is happening right now in your own neighborhood, and it's built on washing dogs. No, seriously. This isn't just some cute side hustle. We are talking about a $363 billion industry, and in the next few minutes, I'm literally handing you the treasure map to go claim your piece of it. And hey, if you want more maps to hidden business treasure, do me a favor and absolutely demolish that subscribe button. You are not going to want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's get into just how massive this opportunity really is. Okay, just look at that number. Let it sink in. $363 billion. That's the projection for the global pet care market by 2030. That is not a typo. We're talking about an industry that's bigger than the entire economy of some countries, all based on the idea that someone's golden retriever deserves a spa day. This isn't just a little trend, people. This is a global economic shift. So what in the world is fueling this rocket ship? This, right here, this is the secret code. This is the engine behind that $363 billion number. People have stopped being pet owners, and they've become pet parents. And their pets aren't just animals anymore. They are furry little children who absolutely positively need that organic, gluten-free shampoo. And that right there is the core of this gold rush. We're not just selling a dog wash. We're selling a premium experience to people who see their pets as family. So let's be clear. This is not just a few people spoiling their poodles. This is a massive cultural earthquake. The ground is literally shifting, and it's creating this giant opening for anyone who's paying attention and is ready to jump in. This is that perfect moment, right before the boom goes nuclear. I mean, just look at this chart. From $235 billion to over $363 billion in just 8 years. That's not just growth, that is an explosion. Every single year, billions and billions of new dollars are flooding into this market. Getting in now is like buying a winning lottery ticket before they've even drawn the numbers. And this is where the real money is. It's not about a quick 5-minute wash anymore. Oh no. We are talking de-shedding treatments, paw balms, aromatherapy, bloomerry facials for dogs. People are taking their own wellness routines and just applying them directly to their pets. 65%, that's almost 2/3 of owners, now believe regular grooming is essential for health. That means they don't just want to pay for it, they feel like they have to. Okay, so you can't go on a quest for treasure without a map, right? Well, most people call this a business plan, which, let's be honest, sounds incredibly boring. So we're not calling it that. This is your treasure map. This is the scroll that shows you where the traps are and leads you straight to the gold. Do not, I repeat, do not start this journey without one. So your map has 5 key parts. Market analysis, that's you, scouting the terrain. Marketing strategy, that's your plan of attack. Services and pricing, that's deciding what kind of treasure you're even selling. Financials, well, that's figuring out how you're going to count all your gold. And finally, team structure is about picking the crew for your adventure. Get these 5 things right, and you're halfway there. All right, adventurer, you've got your map. Now it's time for your first boss battle, the paperwork gauntlet. This is where most people give up. It's a maze of forms, regulations, and legal words that make no sense. It's designed to be scary, but don't you worry. We're going to give you the cheat codes to beat it. This is it, the question that haunts the dreams of every new entrepreneur. You've got this incredible, world-changing idea, and then bam, you run face first into the brick wall of rules. So many rules. Where do you even start? Okay, look, I'm not going to lie. The official rulebook is thick. It's confusing. It feels like it was written in another language. But I went into that bureaucratic jungle for you, fought my way through it, and I've boiled it all down to the stuff that actually matters. So forget that 100-page government document that could put anyone to sleep. Just remember these 5 things. Number 1, register your lair. Just get your business officially registered. 2, master disinfection. Your cleaning game has to be on point. 3, no pet first aid. Your team needs to be trained. 4, keep the scrolls. You got to keep good records. And 5, run a tight ship. Have a plan to control any potential diseases. That's it. That's the boss level. Defeat it. Okay, next choice. You need armor. Think of an LLC as a full suit of shining plate mail. If your business gets in trouble, your personal stuff, your house, your car, is safe. A sole proprietorship, that's kind of like running into battle wearing a t-shirt. It's easier and faster to set up, sure, but if things go wrong, you are the business and everything you own is on the line. Please choose your armor wisely. All right,
You beat the paperwork, boss. You've got your armor on. Now for the really fun part. This is the training montage. This is where we take this idea out of your head and start building a real-life dog-washing, money-making empire.
You've basically got two choices for your home base. You can get a mobile van and become a traveling hero, bringing your services right to your customers' doors. It's a higher cost up front for the van, but your monthly bills will be way lower. Or you can build a fortress, the classic Main Street salon. Rent will be higher for sure, but you become a landmark, a permanent, trusted spot in the community.
No adventurer starts the quest without their gear, right? This is your starter pack. A good table, some clippers, a dryer. Honestly, you can get all the essential stuff for less than $1,000. Don't get hung up on buying the fanciest, most expensive gear right away. Just get what you need to start bringing in cash, and you can upgrade your equipment as you level up. So, what's the end game here? What does winning this gold rush actually look like? Well, it's not just about the money. It's about becoming a legend in your field. It's about joining the ranks of the top dogs. So check this out. This is Micah Glazer. Now, she's not a groomer, but her story is pure entrepreneurial magic. She looked at this old, forgotten bank building, a stone fortress, and she saw the potential to turn it into an amazing, thriving business. That is the kind of vision we're talking about. Turning an old van into a mobile pet spa is the exact same kind of alchemy. And here is maybe the best part of all. You do not have to do this alone. There's a whole community out there, a fellowship of other groomers who are tackling the exact same challenges you are. People like Nick Diamond here realized that connecting with others was an absolute game changer. Think of it like a guild, you know? A place you can go to share strategies, get advice, and learn from people who are just a few steps ahead of you on the path. Helen Maggi says it all right here. Excellent community. That support system is your secret weapon. And when you really succeed, you don't just get a bigger bank account. You get recognition. You get respect. Outlets like the Daily Groomer exist to celebrate the best in the business. This is how you go from being the local dog washer to being an industry leader, a true top dog. That's the ultimate reward. So, there you have it. The map is in your hands. The gold is just sitting there, waiting in a market that is absolutely exploding. I've shown you how to get your armor. I've handed you the starter pack. The only question left is the one on the screen. The quest is waiting. Are you ready to join the pack?